Hello party people, it's La Chinita here. If you don't already know me, my name's Alexia, and today we are going to be making spaghetti. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video because while we're doing it, I'm going to let you know stuff, you know? I don't do that. And call me a clown, call me huevona, like I have never cooked in my life. Sorry. But you know, I was just lucky enough to get blessed with a wonderful father that just cooks for us all the time. So today he was all like, so what you gonna make today? And I'm like, well, I guess I can make spaghetti because I don't want to burn down the house. I think I'm gonna have to do dishes right now because I don't see no pots. So I already have this big, enormous pot filled with water, and I'm going to light up the stove top. And if your stove is like mine, you got a lighter and you need to light it up. Unfortunately, I really didn't need it right now. So you're supposed to put a teaspoon of salt in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a spoon because I'm gonna mix it with something else. So really, it's enough, you know? Oh my God, you're seeing the crusty part. Teaspoon. And I don't know, I want to be fancy, try something. I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything. I doubt it will make this taste any worse than what I'm gonna make it, but I'm gonna add the seasoning, so we'll see how that goes. First of all, you're not supposed to add the spaghetti in until your water is boiling. So let me go ahead and tell y'all first thing. I got a new phone, right? That's what I'm recording off. iPhone 11, whatever. Ooh, so cool. I hate it. I hate it. Like, it's literally so extra for no reason. Like, I don't know how many times I thought I was recording and I wasn't. Whatever though, but let me try and explain myself again. So I was trying to do Scorpio season. Obviously I failed at that, but like I was not feeling myself at all. Like my Scorpio powers were supposed to come through, and like literally I was supposed to dominate everything, but my birthday came around and I just wasn't feeling it. So like basically I was supposed to go to Astroworld, you know, with my best friend, and you know, shit happened. So I had to find a way there, and I wasn't gonna go by myself. Like, have you been on Twitter? Have you been seeing everything going on? No, thank you. But I did find a good friend to go with. Bless up, like, literally, because I just been feeling so betrayed lately, and I need to get over that shit. I need to. But you know, we working on shit. We trying. But like, I really was trying to enjoy my birthday. It was hard. Like, I really wanted my best friend there, but it was so freaking hard. And Astroworld is just like, it wasn't the place to be recording and stuff. Like, I was dying. I was struggling to stay alive. Like, fucking Travi fans are crazy, and I know that, and I already knew what I was signing myself up for, but like, I was scared. Like, I was so scared, but it's cool. I'm 20 now, so literally I'm really trying to like do my best to like start fresh, do everything a good way. Like, so far so good. Like, I kind of feel like dumb because my problems really weren't that big of a deal. But you know, I'm a Scorpio, so what do you think I'm gonna take it like? But it's cool. It's cool because we are only getting better. Only getting better. So I'm already learning how to cook. Look at that. So if you can tell, the water is boiling. So now I'm going to take I'm scared. Do I just put all of it? I don't know what. How many servings is in a pound? Like, technically there's 16 servings in here, so I about put half of that. That's about 8 servings, supposedly. This should be enough, like literally, just to be safe.
¿Para qué es el microwave?
¿Cómo? ¿Cómo?
Pues para que descongeles.
Ya lo descongelé.
¿Ya?
¿Por qué no sientes primero?
¿Cuánto lo vas a hacer?
Ya lo eché. ¿Cómo? Ya lo eché.
Así va a ir en el espagueti.
¿Cómo?
¿Así?
Ahorita lo voy a...
Por eso te digo que cuánto le vas a poner ahí.
Aunque está café.
¿Pero cuánto?
Yo no sé. ¿Mitad? Don't want the bag on here. I just feel dumb because, like, I just am. Oh, this shit's on. Anyways. I have to pee now. Oh my god, he made me nervous. Haven't even had fluids. Like, literally. I haven't even ate today. Freaking 4 o'clock. Where's my mom? I need her help. Hey! Okay. I'm a dumbass. So it's Chef Lexi here. It's hot. But if it sticks to the wall, then it's ready. It's stuck. I don't know how I'm supposed to be funny right now. Like, this is kind of serious, you know? Because I have to be. Okay, but these noodles are ready, so. What I don't understand is why my parents always made the meat so chunky. Like, you're supposed to have the meat fine across everywhere. So Chef Lexi, if you want to play a dollar plate, I'm not gonna charge you $5. No, ma'am. I'll start upgrading when, you know, I'm making something difficult. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna leave the noodles in the pot. It's off, but I don't want the noodles to get cold before my mom gets home. It's smelling good. Because we do not have spaghetti sauce, I am going to take these diced fire roasted tomatoes and I'm gonna take chili sauce. What does that even mean? Like, what's in here? it's just really chunky tomatoes. I'm gonna put just. It tastes like ketchup, and it tastes like a ravioli. But it just seems a waste to use this, to be completely honest with you. I'll put in a little for flavor. And I'm gonna go get hot sauce, because that's what this needs. Second thought, I'm not gonna do that, because what if they don't like that, and then they're gonna be like, so no, I'm not gonna do it. She's home. Hello, I make dinner.
Really?
Well, don't you see me?
Yeah, ¿qué estás haciendo, mamá?
Why don't you work?
¿Qué es la lección?
I'm busy.
¿Qué estás haciendo de comer esa querida?
Burn the house. Lord. I did, but I'm done.
Wow, it's even better then. Does it taste good?
I don't know.
Did you blend it?
I don't know.
So was it spaghetti sauce?
Yeah. It looks too watery. But oh well. What can you do? Let me tell you. That spaghetti was like better than my mom's spaghetti. Yeah. That's this video. I don't know how to make shit entertaining. Like, I'm by myself.
Ping, 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 ping. Si tú te vas jugando a enamorar todas mis ilusiones vagabundas que se puedan alcanzar, y ya verán que a mí mi recuerdo.
Saw things I imagined. I saw things I imagined. I saw things I imagined.